And the breaking news now coming in. The Narcotics Bureau is applying for permission in the Sessions Court to record Souvik Chakrabarty's statement again in prison. That's very interesting development that has come in. Remember that the Narcotics Bureau again wants to record a statement. Divyesh Singh to give us details on that. Divyesh, what does this mean? He's already in the custody, but the Narcotics Bureau will use this reason perhaps to seek further custody?
Yeah, Pooja, the Narcotics Control Bureau wants to record statement of Souvik Chakrabarty again. Remember, there have been multiple arrests. Number of arrests, more than a dozen, 1.5 dozen people have been arrested since Souvik Chakrabarty, Riya Chakrabarty were arrested. There are some top peddlers. Rahil Vishram, one of the top peddlers linked to Bollywood, has been arrested. 1 kilogram of Malana cream, which is high quality hashish, was seized from his residence worth around 3 to 4 crores in the international market. Other than that, there is Anuj Arenja, Anuj Keshwani and multiple other people who are said to be peddlers and were in the NCB custody right now, in judicial custody, while Rahil Vishram remains to be in custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau. That is why, to seek more details, more clarity on his associates or people he was linked to or Souvik knew about, his statement will be recorded again, and that is why this application has been moved by the Narcotics Control Bureau at the NDPS court, which is at Mumbai Sessions Court, to record his statement again. A fresh statement could be recorded regarding the fresh developments, fresh new names that have emerged during investigation. Pooja?
Divyesh, keep tracking, because this is getting definitely murkier, because the Narcotics Bureau still wants to say that they have all evidence, they just need more time, they need to record more statements. Divyesh will be tracking all the latest from Mumbai. With Kangana Ranaut versus Shiv Sena battle, that also continues in Mumbai. The Bombay High Court will now hear a plea filed by Kangana Ranaut against demolition, remember.